Alright guys, I'm giving you guys a demonstration of that little activity I showed you guys before on my video. I want you guys to try this yourselves. So all you need to do, some materials you need, is a roly-roll object, something that can roll around, markers, calculator, a notepad to write something down, a piece of paper, your Chromebook is so you can type it out, a ruler, and then if you want to use a calculator on Chrome, you can use a calculator. That's fine. I have two. I'm going to show you both. So the first thing you're going to do, number one, find your object you want to roll. Step two, you're going to take a marker, get the cap off, and you're going to mark a spot. I already marked mine from when I did the activity in that video. You can see my mark right there. You're going to then take care of the first thing is measuring the diameter of your rolling object. To do that, all you do is take your object and put it against your ruler. I'm measuring mine in centimeters. That's just because that's the one that I had up here. So here, I'm going to hopefully get you guys down here to see this. I was measuring about 2.3 before. If you go up here, measure it right about there. So we say 2.3, knowing I'm right at the edge. So I'm going to put up on my paper, diameter, I'm going to put is equal to 2.3 centimeters. Make sure you're keeping your units correct. So mine's measuring in centimeters. So the next thing we're going to do is we need to clear out some space, and we're going to see how far it rolls. So I'm going to take this off, put my calculator up so I have a little bit of room. And we're going to take this, and we are going to roll it. Now please be careful, because you don't want to go backwards. So I would recommend doing the finger method. Just taking it, rolling, oops. Let me restart that. So we're going to roll it, and we're going to see how far it rolls. It's about 7, right about there where I hit. So that's about 7.2, 7.1, 7.2. Pretty close. I'm going to say 7.2. You guys could check me on that one if you think I'm different, such as like 7 or whatever number you want to put there. It's between 7 and 7.3. I would say I'm going to take the mean and say 7.2 centimeters. Now this rolling number, this is equal to the circumference. Now as you guys learned in the Khan Academy, circumference is equal to either 2 pi r or is equal to pi diameter. So to find pi now, all we have to do is plug in our numbers. Do we know our circumference? Yeah, our circumference is at 7.2 number. So we put 7.2 is equal to pi. And do we know our diameter? We do know our diameter because that came from when we measured it against our ruler. So we can say 2.3. So how do we get pi by itself? Well, we do divide both sides by 2.3. Sorry, I put 2.2 there. That was from my example before. So we do 7.2. I'll do it up here. 7. Oop. 7.2 divided by 2.3 gives me 3.13. Now that's really, really close to 3.14, which it should be equal to. Now I would take that. That's really, really close. That's awesome for getting close here. Acceptable range, I would say, would be from 3 to 3.2. And if you guys try this at home, you should land about the same area there. Now, if you want to try this and you get these numbers, awesome, cool, record it, send it to me. I would really like to see your guys' work. Or if you guys find one that does not get in this range, so it's just like 3 to 3.2, Send it to me. Prove me wrong that pi doesn't always equal 3.1, around 3.14. So hopefully you guys understand this little quick visual for you. You guys get it. If you guys have any questions on it, please feel free to email me. Reach me at Google Hangout. I'm always on here. Whatever is easiest for you to get to me. Thanks, guys. Hope you enjoyed it, and hope to hear from you soon.